Today, our topic is determinants. We learned already some basics in matrices. Now, first of all, what is the definition of determinants? To every square matrix A equal to Aij, of order is n by n, we associate a number. That number can be real or complex. The number can be real or complex. Is called a determinant of a matrix, denoted by det A or det of A or delta. This also called as determinant of A also. Det A is determinant of A, but it is not a modulus of A. And one more thing, determinant can be evaluated only for square matrices, not for rectangular matrices. Now, when come to how to evaluate for different orders, for example, determinant of order 1. When 1 by 1 matrix is there, for example, a matrix A having only one element, its order is 1 by 1. How to evaluate this determinant? That A is equal to delta of a element, that is equal to A. Single element will come. When come to determinant of order 2, determinant of order 2 means 2 by 2 matrix. For how to find 2 by 2 matrix determinant value? For example, let a matrix A contain elements like this A, B, C, D. Its order is clearly 2 by 2 matrix. How to evaluate determinant of this matrix? Det A equal to delta of these 4 elements A, B, C, D. How to evaluate these? Cross multiplication values A into D minus B into C. How to evaluate this? AD minus BC. AD minus BC. A matrix contains elements A, B, C, D. Det A value is det of A, B, C, D equal to A into D minus B into C. This can be applicable for any type of 2 by 2 matrix. For example, I take a matrix like this. A matrix contains elements 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a matrix. You need to evaluate det A value. Det A equal to delta of 1, 2, 3, 4. What is it? A into D minus B into C concept. 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3. 1 into 4 is 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 it is minus 2. This determinant value can be, sometimes you will get real number or sometimes complex numbers also. Now we have understood how to find determinant of order 1 and determinant of order 2. Now we will discuss some more examples based on order 2. Now some problems related to as per concept. Now how to evaluate determinant of 2 by 2. For example, evaluate delta of 2, 4 minus 1, 2. It's very easy to evaluate this. How to evaluate this one? 2 into 2 minus half. 4 into minus 1. 2 into 2 minus 4 into minus 1. Here 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus plus 4. 4 plus 4, it is 8. Now come to another problem. Say 2 by 2 matrix. Evaluate delta of x, x plus 1, x minus 1, x. Same concept for 2 by 2. Evaluating determinant x into x minus x plus 1 into x minus 1. Now here clearly x into x, what will get? X square. It is like a plus b into a minus b. A plus B into A minus B, what is the formula? A square minus B square. Now from this, x square multiply minus inside, minus x square, minus into minus, plus. Now plus x square minus x square cancel. What is the remaining value? 1. This is a simple examples to evaluate determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Now we will learn how to evaluate for 3 by 3 matrix determinant value. All clear? Now determinant for 3 by 3 matrix. Now you take as for elements, let how to evaluate determinant of order 3 by 3. An order 3 or 3 by 3 we called. For example, that I am taking like this. It contains the elements like this: A11, A12, A13. Next, second row elements A21, A22, A23. Next, A31, A32, A33. Now, before evaluating this determinant, we should learn how to expand this. Just we learn only 2 by 2 matrix determinant value. Here, A11 means first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Now we need to identify this sign here. What is the sign we will get? When adding these suffix values, if we got even, we need to consider here plus. If we are adding these two numbers, if we got odd number, we need to take the sign here minus. Similarly here 1 plus 3, 4, it is even number. Here what the sign is? Plus. 2 plus 1, 3. Here what will get? Minus. 2 plus 2, 4. Sign what will get? Plus. 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. It is an odd number. That's why minus will take. 3 plus 1, 4. It is a plus. 3 plus 2. It is a 5. Minus. 3 plus 3, 6. It is even plus. Now, we should learn here why sign here. How to evaluate the determinant for 3 by 3 matrix. First we need to expand along any row or any column. For example, I am expanding along row 1. Along R1 I am expanding this determinant or evaluating. How to expand this means sign. What is sign here? Plus of this element. What is the element here? A11 into, by deriving its first row and first column, respective column and row delete. Remaining 4 elements reduced into 2 by 2 determinant value. Now by deleting A11 lies in which row? First row and first column. By deleting these two, what are the remaining elements? A22, A23, A32, A33. This one reduced into 2 by 2 determinant. I am taking like this: A22, A23, A32, A33. Next, say next element what sign here? Minus. What the element is there here? A12. Similarly, it is lying in first row. Okay, first row deleted. And which column? Second column. Here first row and second column is eliminated. Remaining what elements are there? A21, A23, A31, A33. Next, here what a sign is there? Plus. Into what is the element? A13. Into, it is lying in first row and third column. By deleting this first row and third column, what are the remaining elements are there that evaluate into 2 by 2 determinant? A21, A22, A31, A32. Already we learn how to evaluate for 2 by 2 matrix determinant. Now plus A11 into, plus A11 becomes A11 only. How to evaluate this one we know already. A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32 minus A12 into A21 into A33 minus A23 into A31. Here what is sign? Plus. A13 into A21 A32 minus A22 into A31. Now again, if you multiply this A11 inside, what will get value? A11 into A22 into A33 minus A11 into A23 into A32 minus here A12 into inside multiply A12 into A21 into A33 minus into minus plus A12 into A23 into A31. Similarly, plus A13 multiply inside. Here A13 into A21 into A32 plus into minus A13 into A22 into A31. Here as symbols wise you will get like this, but while doing problems you will get simplified value only. Now first you have to understand how to evaluate the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Here we have to consider what is sign, how to take plus or minus depending on for each element row position plus column position. Here A11 means first row first column. Row position is 1, column position is 1. When adding those two, if you got even number, we need to consider plus sign, odd number minus sign. I am expanding along row 1. You can expand along any row or any column. Along row 2, along row 3, along C1, C2, C3. The value of determinant remains same only. Remains same, no changes in that. All have understood how to evaluate 3 by 3 determinant.